Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Tech. Welcome once again. Okay, in today's video I am on ref maintenance, as you can see, and I need to talk about this pressure switch. And I made a video previously about, you can scroll down my video lists. You will see a video that I made about the importance of these switches. They are very, very important. This is a low pressure switch and this is a high pressure switch. As you can see, it's a high pressure switch. It has only one setting range. Okay, see, and it is a manual reset switch. This is for the high pressure side. If it was an automatic one, when it will have this double ranges, okay, you have the differential and also you have the cutout, but this very one is the manual. That is why it has a button. In this case, when this system cuts off, when this switch cuts off the entire system, you have to come here to reset it after checking around and solving the problem. Maybe if the condenser here is not receiving enough cooling, or you have a failed pump, or you have some issues with the system and the pressure goes high, this will cut off, and after solving the problem you come here to reset. It's a manual type, I repeat. So in today's video I want to talk about the setting of this very low pressure side. As I explained in my earlier video, that this low pressure switch is very, very important in case maybe you have a major rupture in your lines, you know, something may happen and you lose your refrigerant, so you won't have enough pressure coming in on the low side, so your compressor runs dry of refrigerant. With time your compressor overheats and the oil will vaporize and your valve starts getting getting carbonized because of the heating and also the oil vapor. You start having issues with the compressor. With time this compressor will go bad, okay. Lubrication will be ineffective, so with time the compressor will go bad. So that is why low pressure switch is very, very, very important. You know, you have to bear that in mind. So this, if yours is defective, you have to make sure that you replace it, like as you see. Let me use this other case. You have a low suction and this suction comes down to 0. That means you have an issue with the system. So this switch is supposed to cut the system off to avoid damage. So now I want to talk about how you could set this switch. As you can see, this is while making this video, someone just asked me about how to adjust this switch, so I decided to make this video so that maybe we all can learn one or two things. You see, you have the cutting range and also you have the differential. This is the knob, the setting knob for the cutting, and this is the setting knob for the cutout, which is the differential. So this very metallic pan that you see here is for safety, security, so that this knob can leave its set point. If you want to set it, you have to lose this little screw and lift this pan and you adjust it. But it is very, very important that you leave this very part for an experienced technician to handle this. So as we go on, okay, I have 0.20246. see, it's in bar. I'm using the bar range. Okay, so also on the differential you have 0.71234 bar range. So assuming you set your system, when the pressure builds up to, example, you set it up to 2 bar. When it builds up to 2 bar, what happens is that it will cut in. That means your compressor will start at 2 bar. So if you set this one to 2 bar and you set this one to, call it 0.7, as you can see, if you set it up to 0.7, so what happens is that 2 bar minus 0.7, that is 1.3 bar. That is when your system will cut out. Let me come with that again. If you set for 2 in the cutting section and you set the differential 0.7, assuming, I'm just assuming, okay, 0.7, so what happens is that when it's 2 bar, the system, the compressor starts. That is when your pressure builds up to 2 bar, the compressor starts, and when it drops beyond 1.3, okay, when it drops beyond 1.3, that is 2 minus 0.7, you have 1.3. so if the pressure drops beyond 1.3, the system will cut out and wait again until when the pressure builds up to 2 bar. So as you can see, this is the way it works. Okay, for example, this system is set I say at 4 bar, and this is almost 1 bar. Okay, I'll take it, it sets 4 bar and also 1 bar. That's assuming this is set at 1 bar. So you have it that your system cuts in when it's 4 bar and cuts out when it's 3 bar. Okay, 4 bar, 1 bar, that's 3 minus 1, you have 4 minus 1, you have it to be 3 bar. So it comes in at 4 and cuts out at 3. Okay, so that is how to set this gauge, this switch. Okay, thank you. I hope you were able to get something in this video, able to learn 1 or 2 things. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and also comments. If you have any comments, if you have questions, please, you can send it in. Thank you, and see you in my next video.